We're trying to figure out how long it takes machine X by himself to produce 2W widgets. So let's look at their times. Running at their respective rates, machine X takes 2 days longer. So if I let Y, let's say Y, it takes him T. Takes him T. And that means the other guy is going to take T plus 2. T plus 2 days. And together, if the two machines work together to produce 5/4 widgets in 3 days, so how do I change 5/4 into a daily rate? This represents 3 days. If I want it to be an individual 1 day, I would divide this by 1/3, right? Divide it by 3. So 5/12. So, if I want to represent machine X working with somebody else, you always take his time and you take the reciprocal of it. So this would be 1/T plus 2. And machine Y's time would be 1/T. And we've already got this rate for working together, but we've divided it by 3 to make it a daily. So that's going to be 5/12. And your equation always comes from the rate column. So 1/T plus 2 plus 1/T will equal 5/12. And I'm going to solve that for T. And to find machine X's time, I'll add 2 to it since I've got T plus 2 right there. So let's clear our fractions by multiplying everything by 12, a T, and a T plus 2, which is our LCD. A 12, a T, and a T plus 2. So here the T plus 2's cancel, and I'm left with 12T times 1. Here the T's cancel, I'm left with a 12 times a T plus a 2. Here the 12's cancel, I'm left with a 5T times a T plus 2. So this is 12T plus 12T plus 24 equals 5T squared plus 10T. It's quadratic, you need to get 0 on one side. So 0 equals 5T squared. Now 12T plus 12T is 24T, but subtract it from both sides, it's going to give you a minus 14T. Subtract 24 from both sides, minus 24. So I want to try to factor this thing. It's going to be 5T and a T. And 24 is a 6 times 4 or an 8 times a 3. Let's put the 4 here, and that's going to be 4 and 5 is 20, and the 6 is here. So that works. 5T times T is 5T squared. Positive 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. And negative 20 plus a 6T is a negative 14. So if you set both these equal to 0, you get T equals a negative 6/5. And time can't be negative, so throw that away. But here T is 4. And we're talking about machine X. So his time is going to be 4 plus 2, which is 6. Remember, that's a daily rate, and we want it to be in machine X alone to produce 2 times widgets. So 2 times 6 is going to be 12. And I left the W out of this. You know, I could have written this as machine X can make W over T plus 2, multiply that by W widgets, plus Y can do W over T equals 5W over 12. But the first thing I would do is divide every term by W and get rid of it. So I didn't even involve it.